Hello, everybody. My name is Fasil Waldagaber. I'm a student in course 695. I just want to clearly overview my research plan on my title, Automated Learning Engagement Monitoring and Personalized Support in Distance Education and Using General AI and Large Language Models. Mm, my instructor is Dr. Maiga Chang. Supervisor related to my research plan is Dr. Ali Dalwan from Athabasca University. Introduction about my research plan. It was mainly related with two aspects. The one is the distance educational growth, and the other one is the role of AI. On distance educational growth, we see the increased accessibility and flexibility. The challenge is difficult to monitor and maintain student engagement. The other one is the role of AI, the potential of the generative AI for monitoring and support. The focus is gauging engagement through facial, behavior, and personalized feedback. The research problem for my research plan would be the difficulty in automating engagement monitoring online, the limitation of LLM in batching processing and extensive data collection. The risk is a lack of educational expert in AI. It may cause a risk, and the privacy concern, and also over-related on AI tool as well. Purpose and significance of my research plan. The purpose is to develop a system that use AI to monitor engagement and provide personalized support. Significance, it can enhance learning experience through adaptive technology, and it could bridge practical educational needs and cutting edge AI solution. The research question for my research plan is how can generative AI, particularly LLM, can be used to automate the monitoring and assessment of learner engagement in distance education. Uh, the hypothesis of my research plan is using LLM for engagement monitoring will. It could improve personalized learning experience and enhance engagement and retention in distance learning environment as well. The proposed model for my research plan is the technology which is LSTM, the long short-term memory network for analyzing the facial expression of the student, the gaze and the head movement of the student can be analyzed by the LSTM. The feedback capilot is AI-based personalized feedback tool. The goal of this proposed model is to detect engagement level and give support accordingly to the student as well. I got also a sample of lecture review, which can be a great boost for my research plan. I just study on these two important aspect of my research plan, which is very important for me. The one is the engagement monitoring. I got a literature review, which can predict almost with high accuracy the engagement level of a student with a facial overview. And the other one is how generative AI can help in education. This also the one I study is the one which can enhance learning outcome with personalized support. This is all the two important literature review which can give me a confidence on my research plan to be successful on the idea. The ethical consideration of my research plan is they have a key concern. Usually, everybody knows the privacy, the informed consent, and the bias and dependency. The privacy, we need to handle the sensitive data securely and also clearly communicate with the student about all the consent that we need from the student and also ensure fairness in AI assessment as well. Dependency, balancing AI with human involvement as well. This is all the ethical consideration which is very important for my research plan. I have to work on this to make sure uh, nothing left for the ethical consideration. My research management timeline for research plan is has divided into 5 phases. The phase one is the design. It will take 2 to 3 months. The key activity is lecture review, finalize question. Phase two is development. It will take also 2 to 3 months. The key activity is AI modeling, training, and data collection. Phase three is testing. It will also take 2 to 3 months. And the key activity is model refinement and pilot testing. Phase four implementation. It will also take 2 to 3 months. And feedback tool development as well. Phase five is analyzing. It will take also 2 to 3 months. The key activity is analyze data, finalize the report as well. Expected contribution of my research plan, uh, technological wise, educational wise, and practical wise. If you see in technological wise, it will expect accurate real-time engagement and monitoring, effective AI-based personalized feedback. Educational wise, improve retention and learning outcomes. Practical wise, framework for responsible AI integration in education as well. In conclusion of my research plan, it is more important on bridging educational challenge with AI innovation, ethical and pedagogical alignment for future-proof solution. The vision is transforming distance learning for students and educators worldwide. Thanks once again for listening my presentation. Wish you all the best. Thank you.